We at Sethi Polymers, shaping the future one pack at a time.
Sethi Polymers, manufacturer of high-quality industrial packaging. Every package carries trust. Every delivery builds confidence. At Sethi Polymers, we don't just manufacture packaging products. We create solutions that protect, preserve, and perform. Driven by innovation, powered by technology, and guided by values, Sethi Polymers is one of the leading manufacturers of industrial packaging in NCR and beyond. We stand for three simple words: prompt, efficient, reliable. Our investment in the latest machinery, advanced infrastructure and cutting-edge technology ensures that every product meets global standards. We don't just deliver products, we deliver efficiency, consistency and excellence. Our commitment is clear: lower production cost, on-time delivery, unmatched quality. Because in the world of packaging, time is value and trust is everything. Over the years, we have earned the trust of some of the most respected names in the industry. Hindustan Syringes, Innovative Arts, Godfrey Philips India, Seeds Technologies and many more. From healthcare, pharmaceuticals to automobiles, food and electronics, Sethi Polymers has become a name synonymous with reliability. Our wide range of products are designed to serve every industry need. Air bubble wrapping rolls, lightweight, flexible and protective. Corrugated rolls, recyclable, durable, eco-friendly. Polythene bags, safe, cost-effective and available in multicolor options. LLDPE tubes and sheets, high tearing strength, resistant to stress and chemicals. Shipping, secondary and mono cartons. Customized for every demand. Stretch films, ultra-safe, secure and hygienic packaging solutions. Each product carries our promise to safeguard your business, your brand and your trust. Why choose Sethi Polymers? At Sethi Polymers, we manufacture to order, ensuring that every sheet, every roll, every carton is tailored to meet your exact requirements. We are ISO 9001-2015 certified, NABCB approved and backed by decades of experience. What makes us different? Customized solutions, advanced technology, faster delivery, affordable pricing and above all, a passion for excellence. With every innovation, every product and every delivery, we don't just meet expectations. We set new benchmarks. Sethi Polymers is not just about packaging. It's about protecting progress, enabling growth and delivering trust. Because for us, any time is the right time. We're always open. Sethi Polymers, prompt, efficient, reliable.